Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information.
Watch this full video to learn how to find and watch Bitmoji TV episodes on Snapchat.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Snapchat has added a new feature called Bitmoji TV. It brings you cartoons starring your own Bitmoji. To access Bitmoji TV, open the Snapchat app. Tap on the Discover icon from the bottom. Now tap the search bar at the top and type in Bitmoji TV. When it appears in the search results, tap Bitmoji TV to launch it. The Bitmoji TV will open. Here you will see a list of available episodes here. To watch one of these videos, tap whichever one you want to see. An animated video, starring your Bitmoji character, will then begin playing. While watching one of these episodes, tap your screen to bring up playback controls. Using these, you can pause and play, and move forwards or backwards in the episode by dragging the playback marker. You can share this episode with your friends by tapping Send from the bottom right corner. Select who you want to send it to. Add a chat if you'd like. Then tap the Send button from the bottom. The video has been sent to your friend. To close an episode, simply swipe downwards. If you'd like to see new Bitmoji TV episodes appear on your Discover page without having to search for Bitmoji TV, tap on Subscribe. Now go back. Refresh the page. You will then see new episodes appear in the subscriptions bar for easy access. In this way, you can find and watch Bitmoji TV episodes on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.